I just need you back. Apartment 46, yeah. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. For you to call me up right now, girl, I recover. And I realize that I've made a big...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a wedding decor DIY to share with you. We have this vase here, and I have this silhouette that I made using my Cricut machine. But you know, if you don't have a Cricut, you can get silhouettes from the dollar store or from Michael's, and you could use them in the center of our vase, like how I'm going to use my silhouette that I have right here of a wedding gown. Okay, so I'm just going to be placing the gown where I want it to be on the vase, and I'm just going to press it down and then use my scraper to make sure it adheres to the vase. So we're just going to press it down very well. And now it's time to peel it off. Look at that, doesn't it look nice? Okay, now I'll be using some of this bling wrap from Dazzled, which I cut into thick strips. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue down the strip going down our vase. And remember, you can use any adhesive that you would like when you're doing your DIY. I'm just using some hot glue. And now I'll be gluing another strip down the other side of our vase.
All the money that came and changed it all up, but now ain't nothing gonna come and change all up.
And now I have some more strips, which I cut into single strips, and I also cut them in different lengths. And again, I'll be using the hot glue, and I'll be gluing them down our vase. I'd like to say welcome to everyone, and if you're new here, I hope you will hit that subscribe button and hit the bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And to my oldies and my goodies, love you guys. Thanks for coming on and clicking and seeing another DIY that I have to share with you all.
Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. But when I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me, yeah. Girl, I need you beside me, yeah. You beside me, yeah. You beside me.
So as you see, the strips are all different lengths to give it like a waterfall effect. And now it's time to add my favorite gems from Dazzled. I love these gems. They're so blingy and nice. They add a lovely added touch to whatever you add them to. So I'll just be using some hot glue and gluing them to the front of our vase. And here is our finished look. I think it looks lovely. It's a very easy and simple and quick DIY. Yes, it makes a lovely decor for a wedding. And we only used, what, 3 items? Yeah, only 3 items we used, and it was so fast and so quick. And as you guys can see, I did the candles. Yeah, I took some of the dollar store candles and just added the bling around them also, and added them with the gems and add them to our centerpiece. I think all of them look so lovely together. And I love how the bling wrap looks. Doesn't it look lovely? And here is our centerpiece on the table. And here is the showstopper for the evening, our Glam wedding centerpiece decor. Doesn't it look lovely with the floating candles and the water inside? I think this makes a lovely, lovely, lovely wedding table decor. Yes. I love how it looks. You don't always have to use flowers. No, you can use the floating candles inside and it makes a lovely piece of decor. Absolutely beautiful. And here we go with the lights dimmed a little more. As the evening goes by and everyone is settling down, you know, it's nice to dim the lights in your hall a little bit. Just a little lights with a little dim. And doesn't it still look lovely? It looks absolutely beautiful. So I would like you to leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. Yeah, today's wedding centerpiece DIY. I think it looks lovely and it was so easy and quick, and just using our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled and the gems. I remember I said you can get a silhouette from anywhere, from Michael's, from the Dollar Tree. They all sell the silhouette, so you can add your silhouette to your vase and glam it out as a lovely wedding centerpiece decor. So like I said, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Hey everyone, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you. And I'm glad you did, because I am having another giveaway. I'll be giving away these two bling wraps that you see here. They are each 10 yards. So I'll have 2 winners, and you guys, whoever wins, can make something glam for themselves or for someone that's special for them, because you'll have enough bling wrap to do so. And here are the rules for my giveaway. I will have the link below to a video that you have to watch on my vlog channel, and you have to be subscribed to my vlog channel, give me a thumbs up on that same video, and leave a comment that says bling wrap. Then I know you are entering the giveaway. If you're already subscribed to my vlog channel, thank you so much. You just go on over and leave the comment, thumbs up the video, and you're set to go. But if you're not, like I said, you have to watch the video. The link will be in the description box. Subscribe to my vlog channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment that says bling wrap, so I know that you are entering. And please watch the video. Just don't go over there and click and click and click and then exit. No, watch the video. The giveaway will run from today, May 7th, until Saturday, May the 15th, 2021. So that's 1 week from today. I will announce the winner, the 2 winners for the bling wraps. There will be 2 winners, like I said. So everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.